lose our players we and has all of a sudden just overnight better means an argument ultima here team an area no we are no question mark ba go ba go be you say akwan doji ball no and ball ko to net and you say that you understand but akwan doji ball nka as we asara mu kem and the say has team no you feel say omo players no wonom no omo anya de surunku bi enti no bet maka say omo enti dia better than Kotoko because players be from there be
but I get to lose closer to 20 players one particular season and yet that easy
baby so mo no mo like key guys in the team key guys I can
play ball we from what say play me no
key ones I can ya we do
e channel there on say supporters ni be obia na adwene but supporters be so mo who science ebia Zakito Koye and the Obaye no. And you only the results.
Only one or two signs, but they shouldn't expect too many signs on the conclusion. And they shouldn't be disappointed so much because maybe a team no every official team football. Say we play a major role in helping them. Sometimes you leave it to your supporters or make conclusion different. But some of us are you say better than maybe maybe amoni per ehuno. We should hammer our animal. And yet I Kotoko favor, but it's a fancy football. You cannot put a team together over and expect them to play like
it's based on their okay. Say next season, a season a year Kotoko supporters and limit more expectation.
Of course, you are building a new team.
Naza Kotoko supporters
they have to.
They'll be doing harm to themselves and the club. Both Kotoko has,
but both Kotoko has
under no circumstance whatsoever next season. Omu raise expectations. Say team no more ball. Be a year who be there. It doesn't mean say they should not challenge for the league title. Yeah, they should, but say omu ball any too much and any who be annual. The supporters must accept. And yes, they should. They must. It's a must. And we will tell them say they should not or they must not expect an over the hill performance from the two teams.
Sir.
No, we are sir. We see. So the danger. The danger here is this. Supporters nankasa. Oman here na say omo the pressure. Until no my dini because party I agree with Obed, but largely I agree with Zakito that unim. Oman here omo press the panic button and ebe lead them into the season. But so share Kotoko. Any house of folk the way they ended the season, it behoves on everybody who is close to this club to exercise patience and restraint. And nyanya botre say, omo team no, because house of folk team na can want seven. So mbeja be quiet, so many be quiet. Clearly, team demonstrated says it's not a good team. Clearly, by all means and by all standard, the materials they have, either omo team share here. Either omo bending here, either the players are just not good for us of folk no. Almost danedi. Kotoko. Say issues, say coach say players binomo, say whatever. The kind of performance they gave us. And to me see next season. And it is studio ha. Mini obedi kwado why a bit more closer because of the role play of Kotoko mu. Any obi aka bia no. And you too say football club bia. No matter materials awo
Michael I the message biaba na minim eya de be man football de be man no o say ari you are just talking as a presenter what the league non starting
me nim your me chase
obeso che say the work no who che nyomba league ni start ya sa nyoma no maka mo vanya edu
I don't need you person ka che maka adwuma bi ase Michael say wa anya careful league ni start na enkoyie ubehu total performance e bia say so much kakra say ayeye aso ma yayi na say uko press pani button na say uko soldier too much to say the nobody can say demonstration here the no you rather disturb the team.
Okay,
you rather disturb the team because about this annual ubema fe wo mo de ni mu no I so mo decision makers no o be take decisions decisions e be they will not carefully think through
as Obed no nya adwene
ati mi wie no
za ku de
me be wie no me catch the supporters of both teams say o adwen bi say ye bobo lo wie o chira aba bonta be disbehave a me I'll deal with you e come say me say I will personally deal with that person say ya bo match ball ya ball o chine na ye be ni say match we enya de a it shouldn't be a yase for you to come out and misbehave and a way I dey and a play me say support be a was a pon say ye bobo le wie no ba bonte abe hey bia no diwo me ne better kroma say ye ntiase ma nkofo and say in your kroma say based on their personal interest and agenda boy yes ni say boy abono chini ye wasi ni say
magaji madu asmen ganyo so ni be mu ngamu
ane pa ane ma ye be ye pa me say I will personally tell that person whoever will after this match.
Benjamin Osujo say well from this rebuilding excuse. You told us we are doing rebuilding in the first season. Sack all players and told us you are bringing premier players, which means you are going all out now. Where from that lower expectations? Say Obed.
This is my point. Me say this Asante continue.
We only the pabe miensa mejo mudi e was football ba so much player you so mo fan omo yo omo youth just fan
you see this is me point ni here say Asante Kotoko ba bebo has e o matcha 10 old players na Kotoko sa 10 emu 3 e players are almost 30 matches at Kotoko and do 5 combined. 10 no.
And what is see atra ho?
Me point I mean making no.
You know say atra discussion.
The world baby you come mo say na me say me point in the am. Dibo ma me making the point. Me ko there be I'm just wrapping it up. I'm giving you a proper breakdown of the Kotoko team.
So bad.
Dibo ma am kofo am school to me. Let me say
Obia mi school to. What build the point?
Let me
say has in a better position than Kotoko because has are maintaining majority of their players ahead of this game. That is your stance. Obisu about say Ofuze Kotoko eso majority of the players are last season no more. It's any excuse for Kotoko. On also point I don't know why ye kwa sabe ni baby adu say ni say. Kotoko ne has and the baby omugina no. Baby omugina say no. Next season supporters expectation say ye catch supporters say munya abotre ni ato players foforo moma ye kwan na ye build the team ni kakra ana say next season there enimguase egu mu last season no next season straight ye kwa kwaji league
na say ne mpanifo na adi kan ka say next season straight omo ba be bomode
omaka
omienu nyina 2 clubs nyina coach Ogum stated it clearly that the team did not live up to expectations hence radical approach. They are not even going for players from lower division. And then you coach Ogum he stated it. Maybe I mean we play voices. Radical approach now Kotoko I put up this particular period no. And next season I got 3 matches now Kotoko relegation komo biem and obi expect you. And to the point is there is no rebuilding agenda on the table of Asante Kotoko. Based on the interview coach Ogum ne Kotoko media after the season ended. Maybe you have to play that interview again. Listen to Ouattara. Ouattara so say there be but the one of my boy and no the standard of how to folk. Therefore, they want to take out to folk to the standard of how to folk league je. And the next season, I mean, there be any come on, like these clubs will say that. Among Kasakra. They won't say that, cry. Listen, they won't say that. Why no Kotoko Babeka said next season, Kotoko Sabe had your year last season. And I wonder what have to focus so bet my Beginners and trophy when him. I don't have Beginner house supporters and him say, Monsignor trainer the year last season. You better have you. No, they are taking these clubs back to their standard. That is what they both clubs are saying. The standard of how to folk is to compete for the league. That is what Ouattara and the ambitions is here. Ouattara Ouattara against Bechemu. Or perhaps a chita for Chow. And I see they are going to make good use of this period to take out to folk back to the standard. What is House of Folk standard? What House of Folk standard here then? Always been up there. It's up there no more.